wandering between two worlds, one dead, the other powerless to be born, with nowhere yet to rest my head. By Matthew Arnold from Victorian Age. Today we are going to learn about Victorian period. The Victorian period of Queen Victoria's reign from 20th June 1837 until her death on 22nd January 1901. This period is characterized by the expanding horizons of education, literacy, as well as by an increased desire of people to question religion and politics. It was a long period of peace, prosperity, refined culture, great advancement in technology, and national self-confidence for Britain. During Victorian age, Britain was the world's most powerful nation. Like Elizabethan England, Victorian England saw great expansion of wealth, power, and culture. The Victorian era also marks a time of great economic growth, technological discovery, and industrialization. Major crisis during Victorian era was a split between science and religion. People were confused between science and religion. Morality, the revolt, intellectual developments, the new education and industrial revolution were the key characteristics of Victorian age. Victorian literature is literature written in English during the reign of Queen Victoria. The literature of Victorian age entered a new period after Romantic revival. The literature of this era was preceded by Romanticism and was followed by Modernism or Realism. Hence, it can also be called a fusion of Romantic and Realist style of writing. Though the Victorian age produced two great poets, Alfred Lord Tennyson and Robert Browning, the age is also remarkable for the excellence of its prose. Literature in Victorian age tended to come face to face with realism. This reflected more on practical problems and interests. It becomes a powerful instrument for human progress. The Victorian literature seems to deviate from the principle of art for art's sake and asserts its moral purpose. Realism focus on masses, pessimism, science and technology, questioning to God, sense of responsibility, morality, interest in medieval myths and folklore, use of sensory devices and imagery, sentimentality and humor. These were main characteristics of Victorian poetry. Famous writers during this period include Charles Dickens, George Eliot, Thomas Hardy, Anne Bronte, Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte, Oscar Wilde, and all. That's it with today's video. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.